What if I told you that you could land your first paying freelance writing client in less than 48 hours, right here in Kenya, even if you've never written professionally before? I know, sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. While most people are stuck thinking they need years of experience or some fancy journalism degree, there's a whole world of clients on platforms like Upwork desperately looking for writers, and they don't care about your CV. According to recent 2025 data, entry-level freelance writers in Kenya are earning between 500 to 1,500 shillings per article, and experienced writers, they're pulling in 2,000 to 10,000 shillings per piece. That's real money you can earn from your phone or laptop, right from your house. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I used to get my first client in 48 hours, and trust me, if I could do it with zero experience, so can you. Let me paint you a picture. 2 days. That's how long it took me to go from I think I can write to having actual money in my account. I wasn't special. I didn't have connections. I just followed a simple system that I'm about to share with you. Here's what happened. I signed up on Upwork, set up a basic profile, sent out 15 proposals in 1 day, and by day 2 I had my first client, a small business owner in the US who needed 3 500-word blog posts. I earned $15 for my first gig. That's about 2,300 shillings for 3 hours of work. Now, was I the best writer? Absolutely not. But I showed up, I was professional, and I delivered on time. And that's literally all it takes to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step system to land your first freelance writing client in 48 hours, even if you're starting from absolute zero. No fluff, no theory, just actionable steps you can implement today. Let's get into it. Step 1. Set up your Upwork profile like a pro. Okay, first things first. We're going to use Upwork because, according to industry sources, it's currently the best bidding site for freelance writers in Kenya, and it offers payment through PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfer. Here's how to set up your profile in 30 minutes. Your headline: don't write freelance writer. That's boring. Instead, write something like, I help businesses tell their story through engaging blog posts and articles. See the difference? You're solving a problem, not just listing a job title. Your overview. Here's a template you can customize. Hi, I'm Kevin, and I specialize in creating clear, engaging content that connects with readers. Whether you need blog posts, website copy, or articles, I focus on delivering quality work on time, every time. I'm excited to help you bring your ideas to life. Keep it simple. You don't need to pretend you have 10 years of experience. Clients want someone reliable who communicates well. Your skills. Add relevant skills like blog writing, article writing, content writing, SEO writing, proofreading. Upwork allows you to add up to 15 skills, so be strategic. Your portfolio, yes, even with zero experience. Here's the secret. You create your own samples. Write 2 to 3 sample articles on topics you know. 5 ways to stay productive while working from home in Kenya. A beginner's guide to mobile money in East Africa. Top travel destinations in Kenya under 10,000 shillings. Upload these as PDFs or Google Docs links. Boom, you now have a portfolio. Pro tip, according to 2025 research, platforms emphasize promoting yourself heavily through social media and continuous bidding. So don't just set up your profile and wait. You've got to actively apply for jobs. Step 2. Find and apply for the right jobs. Alright, profile is done. Now let's hunt for jobs. Go to the Find Work tab on Upwork and search for blog writing, article writing, or content writing. Here's what you're looking for. Jobs posted within the last 24 to 48 hours. Fresh jobs equals to less competition. Budget, $10 to $50 for beginners. Don't go for $5 jobs. You're worth more than that. Client history. Check if they've hired before and left reviews. And let me tell you, Maina, Upwork is full of scams. To stay safe, avoid these red flags. Jobs with vague descriptions, clients asking for test articles without payment, anyone asking you to communicate outside Upwork. Now, here's the proposal template that works. Hi, client name. I saw your project about specific detail from their job post, and I'd love to help. I specialize in creating type of content they need that's clear, engaging, and delivered on time. While I'm building my Upwork portfolio, I bring fresh energy and a strong commitment to quality. Here's what I can do for you. Then you list specific deliverables, at least 3. I've attached a writing sample that shows my style. I'm available to start immediately and would love to discuss your project further. Looking forward to hearing from you. Best, your name. Keep it short, personalized, and professional. Never copy-paste the same proposal to every job. Clients can tell. How many proposals should you send? At least 10 to 15 per day. Yes, it's a numbers game at first, but remember, research shows that continuous bidding is key, even when you start getting clients. Step 3. Deliver like a boss, even as a beginner. Okay, so you got your first client. Congratulations. Now here's how you make sure they come back and leave you a 5-star review. Communication is everything. Respond within 6 hours or less if possible. Ask clarifying questions up front. Give them a timeline and stick to it. Use these free tools to elevate your work. Grammarly, free version, catches grammar mistakes. Hemingway Editor makes your writing clear and concise. Google Docs easy to share and collaborate. Here's a beginner-friendly workflow. Let's say a client hires you to write a 500-word blog post about top 5 budget-friendly cafes in Nairobi. Here's how you'd approach it. 1. Research, 30 minutes. Google the topic, check TripAdvisor, read other blogs. 2. Outline, 15 minutes. Intro, 5 cafes, each 80 to 100 words. Conclusion 3. Write, 45 minutes. Focus on getting words down first, don't overthink 4. Edit, 30 minutes. Run through Grammarly, tighten sentences, check facts 5. Deliver, 5 minutes. Submit with a short message thanking them. Total time, 2 hours. If you're charging $10 to $15 for this, you're earning about 1,500 to 2,300 shillings for 2 hours of work. That's better than most entry-level jobs in Kenya. Pro tip. According to payment data, platforms like Nerdy Turtles pay between 200 to 500 shillings per 250 words for academic writing. So depending on your niche, you can optimize for better rates. Bonus tip. Don't undervalue yourself. Here's something important. Research shows that even beginner freelance writers shouldn't charge $1 for an article that takes 3 hours to write. You're providing value and you deserve to be compensated fairly. Start with reasonable rates, but don't race to the bottom. The average hourly rate for freelance writers in Kenya is 150 shillings per hour in 2025, but you can earn way more than that on international platforms. Remember, quality clients pay for quality work. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Let's quickly recap. Step 1. Set up your Upwork profile with a strong headline, overview, and DIY portfolio. Step 2. Apply to 10 to 15 jobs daily with personalized proposals. Step 3. Deliver high-quality work on time using free tools. That's it. That's the system that got me my first client in 48 hours, and it'll work for you too. You don't need permission. You don't need years of experience. You just need to start. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more real practical advice on making money online in Kenya. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of writing you want to do. Blog posts, articles, social media, let's chat. And hey, if you want to sign up for Upwork, I've got a link in the description. It's free to join and you can literally start today. Now go get that first client. I believe in you.